Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how we can install Creo Parametric for the student version and what all the steps we have to follow and what about the licenses. We'll go through step by step. Just stay tuned for the next steps. So if you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, so that will help. So not wasting much time, let's move on. So just go to Google and search Creo. You might get a Creo University free edition. Just click on this official website and then you might have to fill this form where it will have your name, email address, location, academic role, graduation level, college name, etc. Just go ahead and fill those. So I'm just gonna give example. Just follow this and you might have to click these two options and then get started. So the moment you say get started, you will get one window where it will tell you like thanks for registration, and it will ask you to install Creo now. Click on Creo now. Now it will show step-by-step instructions to install PTC Creo education version, that means the student version. So here is the step one. You have to take the exe file. To get that exe file, you just have to click on this link. It will take you to the download server where you can download Creo 12. It has multiple versions. You can download whichever you want, but I'm going for Creo 12. Just click on this HTTPS, so it will start downloading. So it's a little big size, it's 6.3 gigabytes, so it will take some time to download. So once it down, I'm just going to cancel it right now, so it's a big data. So once you get this download done, then you can follow these instructions here. So if you have Creo already installed, this step 2 will come into picture. If not, then you can ignore this step. And in step 3, what you can do is you can unzip it, unzip the download file. So download file will be something like this, the naming. You can unzip it and then extract all the files, and then once you extract, you might have to run the exe file setup. Okay, so before doing that, make sure that you do this, disable the firewall and antivirus stuff. Once you select setup exe and run as administrator, so you might have to click next, install new software and click next. Then once you say next, you might get this window. So here you have to add the license product code. So in the PDF, they'll give you the product code specific to the user, and then you might have to use this license code and put it here in the node locked license generation. So it will check the license and then it will say success. Once it is a success, then you can say next. It will start installing. So yeah, once you give this product code, it will ask for your PTC username and password, which you have to create at first. So I have already created the PTC username and password that I have used. So same thing, you have to click login and then you have to add this code. Once you add and install, then system says success and then it says finished. So this is how we install University edition of Creo Parametric 12. If you have any questions, please comment below so that I can answer them all. Thank you for watching. Bye.